In this example, we're going to graph a quadratic function by plotting points. Before we begin, let's go through some quick basics. The axis of symmetry is simply a line that if it were to be sketched or drawn through the parabola, it's a vertical line that symmetrically divides that parabola into two equal parts where they are a reflection of each other. So if I draw or sketch a vertical line, there it is. Notice that vertical line right through there at 4. So to write that equation of an axis of symmetry, that line, it would be x equals 4. So the first thing you should notice about this quadratic function is that the coefficient of the square term is a negative number, so therefore it's going to open downward. Now let's go ahead and begin the graphing process. So step 1, we want to find the axis of symmetry, which is the x value of the vertex. To find that, you're going to simply do negative b over 2a. Notice here that b is 4 and a is negative 2. So we're going to go ahead and plug those values in. When we do so, it's going to look like so, which is going to give us negative 4 divided by negative 4, which is 1. So our axis of symmetry is 1. Now we're going to use that axis of symmetry value and find 2 points less than 1 and then 2 points greater than 1. We're going to plug them into the function itself, evaluate it for those values of x to see what we get out for y. So let's start with negative 1. When we plug in a negative 1 and do the math, we're going to get out a 0. When we plug in 0, we can see everything cancels out except for the 6, so we're going to get an output of 6. When we plug in a 1 and do the math, we're going to get out an 8. And when we plug in a 2 and do the math, we're going to get out a 6. And lastly, let's go ahead and plug in a 3 to see what we get out. You should get a 0 out. Now, one thing you'll notice about a parabola is that you're going to have your vertex. So recall the axis of symmetry, that's the x value of the vertex. And here we have the y value of the vertex. So once you have that vertex, that middle point, you'll have 2 points on each side of a vertex that are reflection or mirror images of each other. Let's go ahead and plot those ordered pairs. We have 5 ordered pairs. We'll start with the first one that's over negative 1 and stay at 0. Then we have 0 and up 6. Then we have over 1 and up 8. Over 2, up 6. And we have over 3 and we'll stay there at 0. And we can already see the sketch of our parabola here. And it has an axis of symmetry of x equals 1.